In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete location history on Google Maps. Whether you're looking to clear up some space, maintain your privacy, or simply want a fresh start with your location data, this tutorial will show you the easiest way to manage and delete your location history on Google Maps. First, what you want to do is open up your preferred web browser and head over to maps.google.com. It's important to start this process on the official Google Maps website to ensure all your settings and options are available and up to date. Once you have the page loaded, you're ready to begin. Next, look toward the top left corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on these lines. This will open up a side menu, giving you access to a variety of options and settings related to your Google Maps account. Now, from the menu, you'll see an option labeled Saved. Click on Saved to proceed. This section houses all your saved locations, lists, and maps. It's a great way to organize your favorite spots, but today we're focusing on cleaning up. Within the Saved section, you'll find a tab named Maps. Click on Maps, and you'll be directed to a collection of maps that you've either created or saved. This is where you'll manage your location history. Once you're in the Maps section, look for an option that says Open My Maps. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated page showcasing all the maps you've interacted with. It's here where you'll have the control to manage specific entries in your location history. Now comes the part where you'll need to make some decisions. Go through your list of maps and select them one by one. For each map you want to delete, click on the three dots beside it. These dots will reveal additional actions you can take with that specific map. After clicking the three dots, you'll see an option to move to trash. Click on Move to Trash to remove the selected map from your Google Maps history. This action effectively deletes the map, ensuring it's no longer part of your stored location data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to delete your location history on Google Maps. Remember, maintaining control over your digital footprint is essential, and regularly checking and cleaning your location data is a great habit to form. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video.